Hi, back again. Okay, so I'm going to teach you another way to teach more complicated rhythms. And we're going to use a different method, which is we're using pictures of animals to represent rhythms. So I have a picture of a duck that gets one beat. I have a picture of a nest that rhymes with rest, and it's an empty nest. That's don't make a sound. And then I have pictures of chicks, and they get they get eighth notes. So they're, I don't want to confuse you, but so half of a quarter note is an eighth note, and it gets half the value of a quarter note. So if you have two of them, then instead of saying clap, you say clap, clap. Okay? So I'm going to show you with the pictures. Maybe it'll make sense. All right? So I just made these. They're not fancy. Haven't even laminated them yet. And they're very, very basic. So here's quack, quack, cheep, cheep. And if we're counting them, we'd say 1, 3, 4, and. So 1, rest, 3, 4, and. That's if we're counting rhythms. But the children just say quack, quack, cheep, cheep. Let's do the next one. Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Okay, so it'd just be like quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Can you see that? Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Quarter, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter. Quack, quack, or 1, 3, because we don't say 2 and 4, because it's a rest. Cheep, cheep, quack, cheep, cheep, or 1 and 2, 4 and. 1 and 2, 4 and. Okay, so now I have some more cards that I made that show what the notes look like. Or they're not really notes because they're not on a scale. So they're not telling you pitches at all. It's just telling you the note value, the rhythmic value, how long to hold it. And it's introducing a new character, a cow. Cow says moo, right? Moo is a longer note. This is a half note. A half note gets 2 counts. So it's moo, cheep, cheep, quack. Let's try that again. Moo, cheep, cheep, quack. So if we're counting a 4-beat measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moo, cheep, cheep, quack. That's how that falls in rhythmically. So it's always going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The beat stays steady, never messes up. Okay, the beat going. Moo, cheep, cheep, quack. Do you notice I didn't clap my hands twice for the cheep, cheep? Because I'm keeping the beat. Moo, cheep, cheep, quack. Let's keep going. Moo, moo. To see how they got 2 claps each? Moo, moo. Moo, quack, cheep, cheep. You see that? Let's keep going. Let's do it. Let's do this. Well, I'll repeat this measure. This is a measure. I'll repeat this measure 4 times. How about? Okay, so we'll go through it 4 times. I'll keep the beat steady. 1 and a 2 and a here we go. Moo, quack, cheep, cheep. Moo, quack, cheep, cheep. Moo, quack, cheep, cheep. Moo, quack, cheep, cheep. That's how we do that. Let's do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna keep the beat nice and steady all the time. Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. You see what I did? Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. Quack, quack, moo. Now, what if we take away the pictures and we just have notes? We're moving one step towards abstraction, aren't we? So I can try these. Here's our beat. Here's our beat. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 That's how we count these notes. And on the back, I do have the easier version. Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. So do you see how the eighth notes, they look just like quarter notes, but they are, there's a bar across, and we could have them separated. They could each have little flags. So we could have a little flag, just a little, let's see, do I have my whiteboard marker right here? Let's see oh, here it is. My dry erase marker. I could show you. Those could be flags. Or if I wanted to, I could make a flag here. That would turn it into a quarter note. And then I would count that differently. Okay, so that's how we count rhythms. So quack, quack, cheep, cheep, quack. Let's go to the next one. Quack, cheep, 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 quack. What if we had them next to each other? I'll scoot it back so you can see more. So let's do 2 measures in a row, okay? So we'll keep the beat steady and we'll say our quacks and cheeps, okay? Here is our beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Quack, cheep, 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 quack, 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 cheep, cheep, quack. Did you catch that? Quack, cheep, 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 quack, 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 cheep, cheep, quack. Easy. Reading rhythms is easy. And when you get to that point where you understand the difference between the quacks and the cheep cheeps and the moos, then you're ready to read real rhythms. And I am hoping that I can pull a video off of my Montessori Facebook page, which was recorded a couple of years ago, and it's of a little, I think she was 5, who was reading rhythms like a boss. So I'm going to see if I can rip that off of Facebook because it's no longer in my hard drive. I've had several hard drive crashes, so my videos get lost and I cry, and it's very sad. But maybe I can. If I can, yay. Okay. Thanks, guys.